How to make group tabs in Opera GX. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see how we can make group tabs in Opera GX. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Like Google Chrome, we cannot create group tabs in Opera GX, but instead we can create different workspace here, which will work like the group tabs. So to do that, open up Opera GX. Once you have opened it up, navigate to settings from the toolbar or menu bar on your left hand side of your home piece. Click on settings. Now navigate to the search bar and then search for workspace. Here you will have this toggle that says enable workspaces. So all you have to do is turn on this toggle. Once you have turned it on, if you navigate to this menu bar again, there you have this workspace icon added. So now you can add different tabs to this workspace. Now you can close the settings from here. So from your home piece, now you have to go to your workspace. If you want to create another workspace, you have to right click on it and then you have to click on Manage Workspaces. Then click on Add More. Now you can create another workspace. Then click on Create. Now once you have this different workspace created, in order to add tabs to this workspace, what you have to do is navigate to the tabs, press Ctrl, select another tab. Once you're done with that, again head over to one of the tab that you have selected, right click on it, on Move to, then click on Workspace. Now choose the workspace where you want to add your tabs to. For example, I'm choosing this workspace too. Now the both tabs has been added to my workspace too. So in the same way, you can add different tabs in your workspace 1 and your workspace 3, or if you have created any other. Now to open up the tab, you have to again navigate to the workspace. Here it is workspace 2, here it is workspace 3. So you can simply open your workspace 2 and there you can see there is 2 tabs that I have recently added to workspace 2. And from here you can simply go to any of the tabs that you want. So this is the way to group tabs in Opera GX, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.